Understanding what makes an offer irresistible. Have you struggled to attract clients consistently? Perhaps you have noticed your offers are not converting, or prospects show initial interest but quickly lose enthusiasm. The frustration of crafting offers that nobody seems eager to buy can be discouraging. So imagine having an irresistible offer that instantly captures attention, compels prospects to say a yes, and generate consistent, predictable revenue. Companies like ClickFunnels have mastered this art, often charging $297 to $997 per month for softwares and services. But there is one significant drawback. They take a sizable share of your revenue. And here is your unique advantage with Go High Level. You can build similarly powerful, irresistible offers while keeping 100% of your profits. And to help you craft your unbeatable offer, I'm giving you a 30 days free trial to Go High Level, exclusive access to the live bootcamp session, weekly live coaching calls, and entry into our premium community. And to get immediate access, visit the resources section of this course or ask me for it in the Q&A section. So here is your step-by-step guide to crafting an irresistible AI SaaS offer. Starting with step one, that is to clearly define your audience. Identify exactly who your ideal client is and understand their key pain points. Clearly, so once you have identified who your ideal client is and you've understood their key pain points. Now, your ideal client could be a plumber, it could be a chiropractor, it could be a dentist, it could be a real estate agent, it could be anyone, any small businesses that comes to your mind can be your ideal client, and you need to understand their key pain points. Now, once I've understood this, you move on to step 2 and 3. That is to focus on the transformation and make your value obvious. So, to focus on the transformation, you clearly articulate how your AI SaaS solutions transform your client's current situation. Show them the before and the after. And then make in step 3, make your value obvious. Clearly communicate tangible benefits and outcomes. Time saved, increased revenue, and reduced stress. This is very clear, right? Now, moving on to step 4, which is the most important one, is you have to understand that you price for value and not the cost. You position your pricing strategically, highlighting value rather than the cost, ensuring it's competitive yet profitable. And in step 5, you create urgency and scarcity. You use limited time offers, you use exclusive bonuses or special pricings to encourage immediate action. That's step 4 and step 5. Moving on to step 6, you offer guarantees for risk reversal. You offer guarantees like a free trial or money back to remove risk and build confidence. Now, when done correctly, these components can come together to form an offer that prospects simply cannot resist. Crafting an irresistible offer is the fastest path to consistent client acquisition and steady growth for your AI SaaS business. Imagine effortlessly attracting clients, generating sustainable income, and scaling your business smoothly. So, are you ready to make this a reality? Head straight to the resources section of this course now to claim your 30 days free trial of Go High Level, which is usually only available for 14 days on the website of Go High Level. You access for the exclusive live bootcamp, which again you will not get when you sign up directly with Go High Level. You benefit from our weekly live coaching calls and join our supportive premium community. So don't miss out on this powerful opportunity because your success starts now.